Guys, welcome to Haul the Home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. It's a beautiful Saturday and I am here on Main Street in Laurinburg. Just walked into a beautiful antique store and I'm going to be turning the camera around to show you in just a minute everything that I took actually seen and walked through today. I met a beautiful lady here working at the front desk and she gave me the privilege of recording in this store today. We are here at Southern Conversations Vintage Antique and Designs. And they are open, I want to say daily, because I've been here, this is my second time stopping in, so just stay tuned for that walkthrough video. Everything in here is absolutely gorgeous. Some of the items have a bigger price tag, but overall for this store and the things that are in here, the prices are really good. And there is something for everyone in this store. It's super packed, so there is plenty to look at. They have little rooms all throughout to walk in and look at items. You can see there's items everywhere. Look at this gorgeous painting. That thing is massive. It is on sale for $2.99. It was $5.99, but it's huge. And it is hand painted. Here's a whole scene. You see several canvas hand painted, so that will go up on the wall side by side. A lot of figurines. They have tons and tons of lamps in here. Those are gorgeous. Closer picture of it. There it is. If you love lamps, this is the place to come to. Chandeliers are absolutely gorgeous in here. I love those. Let's see if I can get it closer. Gorgeous. Hand blown ornaments or roses. Great if you love shabby chic, or the classy shabby chic would be beautiful for Christmas. I love this chandelier. See if I can, because I'm standing right on top of it. It is gorgeous. It is $5.99. Large crystals. And there is another huge layer. It's $1,400, but it's massive. It's probably 4 foot tall. I'm just going to go around in a circle so you guys can see what it looks like in here. There's large furniture pieces in here, large vases. Look at these lamps. $3.90 for that set. Very large pieces. I looked at that little chandelier earlier. I thought it was so cute. It's $40. They have a lot of statues and figurines. I seen that one and it reminded me of like Arizona, the desert. Very pretty. And they do have a lot of things like set off and color block. There's another gorgeous chandelier. There's one there. Alright guys, it's in here. Look at that massive vase. They have massive mirrors. I just left the gym so y'all overlook me. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the beautiful couch. This little section here reminds me of like French country. And all the items here, the chairs, the pillows, just gorgeous. They have a whole shelf here of nothing but hand-blown glass. Look at the rich color through here. Very warm tones. Looks so comfy. The chairs are so pretty. Beautiful clock. They have something from like all different parts of the world, so representing a lot of different cultures here in this store. I like the old typewriter here. And then this candle holder here is literally almost as tall as me. It is at least 4.5 feet tall. I hope guys I'm not making you too dizzy. I'm trying not to go too fast. Now these are some of my favorite lamps. Those two there, gorgeous. And I think this one is nice. They have like a little, and they have like 3 or 4 of these little sections on this one side here, so I didn't go in all of them. You know, I need to come down and take a look. But there's a lot of cool stuff. Logan would love that lamp over there with the chicken on it. That one's really cute, especially if you use the lampshade on that one. If you could do a different color, I think a different color would be pretty. I'm not putting a pop of color with it. And these curtains here, the print is gorgeous. I didn't get a close-up of this statue. I even like the banana split figurine. That's neat. You see, they also have large rugs as well. Seriously, a little bit of everything.
What's your...
And they have jewelry up here at the front counter. Beautiful pearls. And then I'm going to share with you guys the address here. It is the one with the star by it, Laurinburg. And that's 131 Atkinson Street, North Carolina, 28352. They have vintage antiques and different designs. And like you seen earlier, different paintings, arts, crafts, just gorgeous stuff.